Hello guys, I'm Spicy Bill and this is gonna be a review on a Bandai Master Grade 1/100 scale Char's Gelgoog 2.0. So this is part of the Char month campaign that a lot of YouTubers are doing. It was started by Zaku Aurelius and we're just building Char kits. So anyway, here's the one I'm doing. So I'm doing the Char's Gelgoog 2.0. Let's go ahead and zoom in. We talk about the box in the unboxing, so I'm not gonna waste your time with that. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the manual. We got a very nice manual here. Again, we sing this doing the unboxing. So yeah, I learned something new with this kit. How to apply dry transfers. So that's actually nice. So yeah, finally learned how to apply dry transfer. It's actually super easy. It's like putting on stickers, except maybe easier. Yeah, so anyway, we got this little vehicle right here, this little coupe. You do actually have to paint it if you want it to look like, accurate to the box art. So we got this little one. And we also got two miniature figurines of Lala and Char. Right there. So here are the leftover decals. I didn't use all of it. Yeah. Apparently a lot of these decals go into the inner frame. And we have the stickers. So let's go ahead and store that inside the manual. For leftover parts, we have two of these beam saber effect. He's never gonna use. Let's see, and we also have the accessories. We have the beam rifle right here. Place the dry transfer on here and one sticker. Okay, this is also a leftover part. This is one of the thruster units. And we have these parts. I believe these are like extra parts for the how to attach the stuff to the backpack. You can attach the beam naginata to the back right here if you want to. You have this peg right here, so you can store the beam naginata, and the shield can also be stored via this connection port right there. And we have this little thing. Okay, and the extra part, we have the commander antenna right there. Let me just show you how that works actually. So we're gonna store the accessories according to the instruction manual. This is actually, this little thing here is actually the adapter for the action base. So there we go. Make sure you keep that. Don't want to lose that. Okay, beam naginata is stored right here like that. Of course you have to remove these like that. So there you go. That's one way to store the beam naginata. You can also store the beam naginata in the shield. Right there, there's a connection port. Shows you right there how to do that. Also the beam naginata can store in the back skirt. So if you want to flip that out like that, you have several options on how to store the beam naginata. So there you go. You can store it right there. Like so. And you can remove this clip and attach it right here to the shield. Alright, let's go ahead and get the shield off here. The shield can be attached to the backpack via this thing right here. I mean the back via this adapter. So you just slide that in right there like so, and there you go. The shield is on the back like that. I really didn't mess around with this thing too much. So, yeah. And you can actually swing the shield forward. Like that. So, let's go ahead and try to do that. Anyway, it works. It works. So, there you go. Let's go ahead and swing that in here. Well, he can hold the shield perfectly fine. This is also dry transfer decal right there. So there you go. And the beam rifle just fits right into the hand. Looking pretty cool. And the naginata can be, I'm just going to store on the back skirt right here. Like that. There we go. So there's that. And let's go ahead and go over the articulation. So this kit actually has some really good articulation. First, we're going to look at the feet right there. I guess now, after getting the shield and everything onto the kit, now I have to take everything off the kit. There we go. It's not that hard. Look at that. And let's get this out of the way. Close this thing right there. Okay. Articulation. There we go. The feet. You have the front feet articulation. It's not toe articulation, just the front feet right there. There's a lot of part separation right here for the feet. You got the ball joint at the feet, so that can rotate. Ball joint for there's another ball socket that goes into this polycap in the lower leg. So yeah, very, very articulated. And we also have double jointed knees, which is very nice. However, this thing is severely hindered, so it's actually a little bit more than 90 degrees, which is nice. Here we actually have the universal joint for the hips, so that's actually really good. He can actually, let's see, can he do a Gelgoog doing a roundhouse kick? Believe it or not, yes, he can do it. You just have to hold it. But he can do a roundhouse kick. Look at that. I am actually very impressed. See if the high grade can do that. Nope, the high grade can definitely not do that. So that's really nice. The front skirt can articulate. It's a ball joint. And then there's also the side skirt, which can also articulate. And this kit is not a grenade, so don't worry about that. If you saw the build video, the hatch does open up for the cockpit. You do have to paint the minifigure in there if you want it to be accurate. You have the waist articulation right there. That's actually pretty good. It's a ball joint. And you also have the ab crunch. This is not a diaphragm joint, just a hinge. So there we go. Head is on a ball joint. It's a ball joint sitting on a polycap. So you can rotate that. And when you rotate it, the mono eye moves. It's very hard to see, but the mono eye does move when you rotate the head. It is very, very hard to see. But anyway, we have the there's a peg hinge system in the shoulder right there, so that allows it to move. The shoulder is sandwiched. The shoulder armor is sandwiched into the peg and the forearm. I mean, not the forearm, the shoulder. So the shoulder can actually go perpendicular like that. Can go down, rotate bicep swivel, double jointed elbow. We have the ball joint for the wrist, polycap, and individually articulated fingers right there. And there's a bend for the finger. Well, not individual. It's like you get the index finger and the rest is connected together, although you can separate those. And we got the thumb articulation, which is very nice. And yeah, am I missing anything else? Nope. Well, the back skirt can also articulate a little bit. Yeah, you can swing it out a little bit like that. And then you have this connection port right here for the beam naginata. Overall, this is exceptionally well designed. I don't think the Gelgoog needs like 3.0. I think this is fine. Although if they do want to do it better, they can. I don't know what else they can improve on this. I think they cover everything. You know, if they the high grade gets like a revive with these kind of articulation, I'd be very, very happy. But I don't think so. Maybe we'll get a real grade in 1/44 scale. But yeah, so far the Gelgoog for the 1/44 scale has so far been a disappointment. But for master grades, yeah, if you like the Gelgoog, you have a very, very nice kit in their collection. You pick up this guy. I definitely recommend it. This is very nice. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this review. I hope you guys find the information helpful, and I hope you guys have a happy Char month. Thanks for watching.